In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get citations on Google Docs. If you're writing a paper, report, or any document that needs proper references, Google Docs has a built-in citations tool that makes the process simple and consistent. I'll walk you through adding sources, inserting in-text citations, and creating a clean bibliography, all without leaving your document. Start by opening your Google Docs document. Once you're in, look toward the top menu and go to Tools, then choose Citations. This opens a sidebar on the right. You'll see a clean workspace for your sources, and depending on your version, a drop-down for citation style such as MLA, APA, or Chicago author date. If you already know which style your assignment or workplace expects, make sure it's set correctly before you proceed. Next, click the plus button labeled Add Citation Source. A small panel will prompt you to choose what kind of source you're citing. Pick the one that best matches your material: book, website, journal article, and so on. Selecting the correct type helps the tool format your citations accurately, as different source types require different details. Now, fill in the fields for the source. Enter the author's name, the title, and the publication information requested. For websites, include the page title, the site name, the URL, and the date of publication if it's available. Take a moment to double-check spelling, capitalization, and dates. Small mistakes here can ripple through your citations. When everything looks good, click Add Citation Source. You'll see the source appear in the sidebar, ready to use. You can add as many sources as you need, and they'll all be listed here for quick access. To place an in-text citation in your document, click in the document where you want it to appear, usually right after the sentence or quote you're referencing. Then, in the Citations sidebar, click Cite next to the source. Google Docs will insert a formatted citation that matches the style selected in the sidebar. You can move it, delete it, or adjust surrounding punctuation like any other text. Finally, when you're ready to compile everything into a references list, go back to the Citations sidebar and click Insert Bibliography at the bottom. Make sure your cursor is positioned where you want the bibliography to appear, typically at the end of your document. Google Docs will generate a properly formatted list of the sources you added in the sidebar, saving you time and keeping everything consistent. And that's it. Add your sources, cite as you write, and insert a polished bibliography with a single click.